Guys, I'm going to explain this 4-wire O2 sensor real quick to you guys. Okay, so we have 4 different wires. Now this is the plug from the back side like this, right? So we have bottom left is a yellow and black. Now that is a power wire and it goes straight to this power junction right here. So it's basically 12 volt switch. So when you turn your ignition, this gets 12 volts. So you can test that with the multimeter or a test light to make sure that's getting 12 volts switched. Alright, right across from it, we have an orange and black. Now that is the heater circuit. Basically how that works is the power goes from here through the sensor, right, and it goes through a heater in the O2 sensor which preheats the O2 sensor, and then this goes back to the ECU. This orange and black goes to the ECU. I think it's like pin 6 in the A connector. You can check that, OBD1 diagram. But anyways, that goes to the ECU and basically tells the ECU if the heater's working or not. Now if that's failed, you'll get a code 41 on your ECU. It's going to run like crap. So then we have a O2 sensor signal wire. So this white wire right here, that runs to your ECU as well. And basically that, so basically the difference in atmospheric air and the difference in density and the difference, basically it measures the difference in air density between the outside air and the exhaust air to determine your air-fuel ratio. And it basically supplies a certain voltage, like a small amount of voltage, and sends it back to the ECU so the ECU can read it. So yeah, that's your signal wire. Your white wire is a signal wire. And then you have a green and black wire, which is just going to be your ground. So looking here, what I did, I wired the yellow and black straight to here, right? Then I took my green wire, and well, you can see the green and black wire, and I just soldered a connection and grounded it straight to the transmission. And I ran the other 2 wires. You can run them to this right here. There's an orange and black, right there, and well, but I just ran them straight through the firewall, straight to the ECU in here. So yeah, so I just wired them straight to the ECU, and now it works great. But yeah, that's how to wire up a 4-wire O2 sensor from scratch. So let me see this diagram again real quick. But yeah, so yellow and black, switch power. Orange is the heater circuit. Well, so it tells the ECU if the heater's working or not. White is the signal wire, which determines the actual air-fuel ratio. And then green is a ground. That can be grounded anywhere. So yeah, just so you know, 4-wire O2 sensor.